Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the drivers module in Go Mobile. Go Mobile is our current online fleet management application. It's the perfect system for drivers and technicians. It enables users to track and update fleet information, complete jobs and inspections from any device with an internet connection. It provides all the information needed to maintain DVSA compliance and keep your fleet on the road at the touch of a button. A full stock management facility is also available for tracking parts throughout their life cycle. The Drivers module within Go Mobile enables any driver to assign themselves a vehicle from your fleet. They can see all the information and update key areas. Once a vehicle is assigned, the driver can easily carry out their daily checks on their mobile device, with any defects logged and flagged for further investigation. Go Mobile uses modern security protocols to ensure your data is safe and secure, with each user having their own login. Once logged in, you can see the vehicle assignment screen here. The vehicle assignment screen allows the user to see their details at a quick glance. It also allows the user to search for a registration of a vehicle and assign it to themselves. Once the vehicle is assigned, the driver then completes their daily walk-around checks. As you can see, each of the daily checks has a pass or fail criteria. Each check is filled in, and then the check can be signed off by the technician and completed. All of this information is then sent back to the main system and processed in real time. The Drivers module reduces your paperwork and administration overhead, creating a more efficient process to save you time and money. If you'd like to know any more information on any of our products, please get in touch.